thank you for watching. Here we go, and I am at Vickery Creek with Melissa here, and she's learning how to ski with my hiking poles. My hiking poles. You can call them walking sticks. But we're gonna head out to Vickery Creek over here off of Riverside Drive, and we're heading right this way.
I don't think I gave you permission to film.
All right, here's the little map right over here. Let's take a look at that. That's the map to show you where we're going. And we're gonna head right that way. Oh. All right. We are gonna head right this way. Well, this trail has been really easy. In the beginning you go uphill, which of course Melissa will be thankful when we go back because it'll be going downhill. But other than that, it's been pretty easy, and it's a very nice trail. A lot of people out today. So we're constantly running into people, and it is dog friendly. It is pet friendly. On the back side of this trail, it is really peaceful. I don't see anybody, not like on the front side. And it's really nice. Melissa seems to be making it all right, right, Melissa? You're doing all right. Yeah, she's doing good. She's ready to go out and have beer afterwards. That's how good she's doing.
Probably.
Yeah, see, I think we're
Beer and tacos.
yeah, tacos too. Maybe we'll have some tacos. All right, let's head on. This is a nice day, beautiful day in Atlanta. It's in the end of January, and it's just beautiful. So let's take this hike, take a look and head on this way. Look at this one. Where are we?
Right here.
And then where do you think that waterfall is?
Boat launch, and hold on. So it's in this little groove. It's in this groove is where it really is.
So which way should we go here?
So we need to go up here, but go all the way to the back, like I said, and then we're going back down this way, back down here, this way, all the way back around, and then we run into it right there.
Okay, let's go.
So
If you say so.
let's do this thing.
Let's head this way, right?
Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty. Is this what you're talking about?
Yeah, and it's beautiful.
Yeah, this is a real pretty area.
This is all new.
It looks new.
There you go. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Is that the beach you're talking about?
That's it. That's the beach I was talking about. They even have little picnic tables and a bench.
You go swimming right there.
Yeah, a little. Yeah, that's where you go.
Well, we made it to Vickery Creek Falls, and it's so beautiful here. There's people having a picnic, people painting, people doing photos for their wedding, and it's just absolutely beautiful day. And we got to head on back and head back up this hill and get back to the car because I'm hungry and I'm ready for dinner. Melissa?
Yeah?
Did you like this trip?
It was amazing.
Was it really amazing? Did you have a good time? Unbelievable, huh?
We picked the perfect day.
Yeah, that's so nice. And
If you would have been here a little earlier.
I know. I mean, you know, if we would have made it a little bit earlier,
Yeah,
we
would
would
have
have
lunch.
really. We could have packed a lunch and done everything really nice. Unbelievable here. But I want to thank you for watching. Here we go.
Come on out.
And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And I will see you next time from Vickery Creek. Thanks again.